First, it was the Soviets. Then, it was the terrorists. Then, it was the terrorists. Then, it was the terrorists. And now, Ikea too has a Metal Gear capable of watching through their missiles. I'm coming in.
It's going to be bigger, right?
That's what she said.
Yes, each nuke is the size of you.
Well, that's pretty big. Good. Then my plan is almost complete.
Snake, this is a sneaking mission. You can't use any weapons on the sales floor.
But that lovey-dovey couple buying the China stuff from Pakistan are really starting to piss me off. Can't I just off them?
No. Sneak through without any employees finding you and get to the secret elevator. It'll take you down to the basement where Metal Gear is housed.
Got it.
Snake, that's the door to Metal Gear. You should be in the clear. Run over and plant the C4, then get out of there.
Stop right there, Snake. I cannot allow you to destroy Metal Gear. You're pretty good, Snake, but guns will serve you no purpose here.
That seemed unnecessary.
Why must you always talk like William Shatner?
Emphysema.
You're finished, Snake.
That's what you think. Time to destroy Metal Gear.
Dude, we totally hit that deer!
And we have a new futon!
Oh my
God! Go! 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 Snake? Snake? Snake!